Hey everyone, Dave Cook with Franco Painting and Wallpaper coming at you, and we're doing some interior painting here in Oak Park, Illinois. So one of the issues we are looking at is plaster repair. So you can kind of see the plaster, there's some water damage upstairs and it's leaked through. So this is one of the things that we'll be fixing to make it look nice. And then the plaster repair kind of continues there. And there's some in that room over there also. So all this stuff we'll have to cut all this stuff out, make sure there's no loose plaster, prime it, and then go back and doing the flow work upon that to make it look good. So one of the things we're looking for as we're doing the estimates, you can kind of see the cracks, and then the ceiling has some places like that. In older homes, it's typical with plaster, so there's probably about 4 or 5 of those on the ceiling here and there. And then that wall has a couple stress cracks on there also. So there's a couple things that we're looking for when we're looking to repaint homes. If you got questions about how we do estimates or what we charge for, give us a call at Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.